Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the day's outlook. Two things. First off, I want to apologize if I sound a little congested. I have a little bit of a sore throat and a stuffy nose today, so just bear with me here in the video. Second, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks for the day's outlook since he is currently busy with Father's Day with his family. So, he's spending time with his family for Father's Day, so I'm filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks for day 2. Anyway, we have 2 enhanced risk areas tomorrow, one covering parts of Nebraska, and another covering east central South Dakota, central and southwestern Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. Cities in tomorrow's enhanced include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. We have a slight risk tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska. The slight pretty much surrounds the enhanced in Nebraska. So the slight also encompasses most of South Dakota, extreme southeastern North Dakota, northern and northwestern Iowa, parts of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Billings, Montana, and Rochester, Minnesota. And we have a marginal tomorrow that encompasses parts of Montana, central Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, most of North Dakota, northern South Dakota, southwestern and southeastern Nebraska, much of Kansas, western Oklahoma, the eastern half of the Oklahoma Panhandle, northeastern Texas, extreme northwestern Missouri, parts of Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, the western part of the peninsula of Upper Michigan, and northern and extreme southeastern Minnesota. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Wichita, Kansas, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Fargo, North Dakota. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses east central South Dakota, far northern Iowa, much of Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow, encompassing east central Wyoming, southern and eastern South Dakota, northern Nebraska, northern Iowa, parts of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. Okay? Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Duluth, Minnesota, Sioux City, Iowa, Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and Superior, Wisconsin. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing parts of Nebraska. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include North Platte, Nebraska. Oh, so it's one city on this outlook. Okay. Anyway, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, far southeastern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, which pretty much surrounds the 30% area. The 15% surrounds the 30% in Nebraska. The 15% also encompasses northwestern Iowa, most of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Billings, Montana. And a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow encompasses. The 5% wind risk tomorrow encompasses parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, parts of Colorado, most of North Dakota, northern South Dakota, southwestern and southeastern Nebraska, most of Kansas, western Oklahoma, the eastern half of the Oklahoma Panhandle, the northeastern part of the Texas Panhandle, far northwestern Missouri, much of Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, the western part of the peninsula of Upper Michigan, far southeastern Minnesota, and northern Minnesota. The 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses east, central South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses southeastern Montana, parts of Wyoming, northern Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, far southeastern North Dakota, northwestern Iowa, parts of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Rochester, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Hails in the black dashed area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Now, areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. Hails in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. So, in summary, scattered severe storms with areas of damaging winds and hail are forecast on Monday from the north central high plains into the upper Mississippi Valley. So, that's the day 2 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care. And again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks today. Since he is with his family, celebrating Father's Day. So stay safe tomorrow, and I will go over this again tomorrow morning. Take care.